Ennillydd Cariad Iaith eleni yw Caroline Sheen.
Dwi'n hapus iawn. Diolch yn fawr pawb. Diolch yn fawr ffrindiau newydd. Diolch yn fawr Nia, ein ferch hyfryd, tutor brilliant.
Felly, Caroline Sheen, sut oedd hi'n teimlo, sut oedd hi'n teimlo I ennill Cariad Iaith?
O, bendigedig. Ges I amser hyfryd o'n Cariad Iaith. Pobl anghygoel and just chwerthin mawr.
Fel fi. Ydy dy fywyd wedi newid ers ennill Cariad Iaith?
Dwi'n darllen llyfrau gyda Flora, fy merch. Ble mae smot.
Clasur.
Yeah, dacw smot. Smot drwg, that's what she says that. Yeah, so, you know, I never read Welsh books before, so that's helping me keep it a bit, trying to.
Da iawn. Ydy o'n anodd dysgu Cymraeg achos ti'n byw yn Llundain?
Yeah, it's hard in London because nobody I know speaks Welsh there. Dwi'n gwylio ti.
Hooray!
Ar S4C with subtitles. I can understand now the Welsh tweets that people put on, which is really helpful, and I would like to do a little course maybe at the London Welsh Centre.
Fel ennillydd Cariad Iaith, pa gyngor fysa ti'n rhoi I ddysgwyr eraill?
I would say ewch am gwrs. Is that right?
Yeah, perfect.
And try and dal ati, keep it up.
Ac yn olaf, be wyt ti'n neud yma heno yng Nghaerdydd?
Dwi'n canu ar ganolfan heno in Broadway to the Bay gyda John Owen Jones, Sophie Evans, Lucy Jones, everyone who's ever done Cariad Iaith.
Pawb o'r Cariad Iaith?
Yeah.
Wyt ti gorfod ymarfer dy lais?
Yeah, because, you know, singing tonight's got to get warm. But you sound a bit husky. I think you should probably do some warming up.
Yeah?
Yeah.
OK,
Do you
iawn.
want some advice?
Oes, please.
Okay. Hands on your diaphragm.
Right.
Go on, and feel your diaphragm going in and out.
Swnio fel Hoover. Serious?
Serious? Now go. Great.
Oedd hwnna'n
Right,
iawn?
start as high as you can. Go as low as you can. Go as high as you can. Yeah.
Da iawn?
Da iawn.
Great. Lovely weld ti, Caroline.
You too.
Diolch yn fawr. Pob lwc heno.
Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch.